Wait, share. Okay, so I hope that every one of you can see this one is your textbook. Textbook. Chapter 8, line and angles. Okay, so I want you to look at, you can refer your textbook, page 100, page 170. Okay, so line and angle, so you can refer there, lines and angle exist in our surroundings. For instance, coconut leaf, which resemble lines at certain angle, exhibit the beauty of art in nature. Okay, so this is what a congruency of line segment and congruency of angle just now. Okay, so remember, if congruent line segment mean that you have the same length of line, and congruent of angle is you have the same size of angle. Okay, I want you to go to this question. Self-practice 8.18. Okay, self-practice 8.18. Explain whether the line segment PQ and RS in each of the following diagrams are congruent. I will minimize this one so that I can see the message here. Okay, so if you look at this, explain whether line segment PQ and RS in each of the following diagram are congruent. Is it number 1A congruent or not?
Congruent.
Congruent because you have PQ 3 cm, RS also 3 cm. So this one is congruent. Okay, and then B, is it congruent or not?
Not congruent.
Yes, correct. Not congruent because PQ is 3.3, RS is 3.2, not same length. So if not same length, mean that not congruent. And then C, PQ is 4.2 and RS also 4.2. So this one is congruent, correct. Okay, now how about the angle? Is it angle PQR and angle ABC are congruent? Look at A. PQR 32.
Congruent, teacher.
Congruent. Okay. Wait, so 32 and 32. So this one also is this one are congruent. How about B?
Not congruent.
Not
Yes,
congruent.
correct. Not congruent because this one is 138, this one is 136. And then C?
Congruent.
Congruent.
Yes, correct. So that is how you identify either the line segment or the angle are congruent or not. Okay, now this is how you estimate and measure the length of the line segment and the size of angle. Okay, if you look at this, let's say your eraser is 4 cm. You have one eraser, then your eraser is 4 cm. Then how to estimate this one? So let's say you have the length AB here. So you put your eraser like this, so you can estimate. That is for your estimation only. The actual size, the actual length, you can use ruler. Okay, and that one is not very important. This one we will learn later. Okay, now I want you to have your protractor. You have this one? Do you have protractor with you?
Teacher.
Okay, so I want you to do number 2. Number 2, number 1, estimate, no need lah. Number 2, measure each of the following line segment. You use the protractor and then you measure this one. Do you know how to measure? I show you one first. Wait. Okay, this is your protractor. This is your protractor. So if you look at your protractor, you have 2 scale, outside and also inside. You can refer your own protractor. Okay, outside is maybe you start from 0 on the right, on the left, 0, 10, 20 until 180. And the inside scale is you start 0 on the right. So what is the difference between these 2 scales? Okay, these two scale is depend on your line. Okay, depend on your line. Okay, now this is the middle of your protractor. So how to, sorry, this is, sorry. This is not angle yet. This is, you have to use ruler. Okay, ruler. So this is your ruler. You want to measure, right? So what is the answer you get for A? 2A. Can someone give me your answer? You measure 2A. Yeah. Okay, so here we get what?
4.3.
4.3. Are you sure? Thomas, you get 1.7. Is it cm or what?
cm.
cm.
4.2, teacher.
4.3 cm.
4.3, eh? Correct, right? 4.3 actually. 4.3 cm. So if you look at here, you also have, actually this one is 5.2. I'm not sure this one is the correct scale or not. Okay, so you just put your 0 at your A, 0 at A, and then you put B. B is this one. Okay, so how about B? B. So you put your ruler like that. And this one you get, okay, your friend got 5.8. Maybe this one is not follow the scale. The textbook is not follow the scale here because I minimize this one. Okay, so never mind. So you can get, I think that most of you get 5.8 cm. Okay, I want to show you how to use angle. Angle, sorry. Ayo, wait. I want to show you how to measure using the angle. Okay, then you look at number 3. You look at number 3. Okay, so number 3, this one is estimate, but we don't want estimate. We just find the angle. So how to find this angle? Now you look at your protractor. At the middle here, the middle of your protractor. Okay, this one is you put at the vertex here. So mean that you put your middle of the protractor must put at the vertex. Okay, we do together. You put on your textbook. So you put your protractor at the middle of protractor. You put wait this one. If you can see the middle here, then you must put at every vertex here. This one is the vertex. Bucu the vertex. So you put there like this, and make sure the other line is on 0. Other line on 0. You cannot put like this. You cannot put like this because your line here not on this line. So you must arrange your protractor so that it will become on line. Okay, on line like that. Okay, now you can look at, this is the your first line. Okay, your first line. So you start 0 here. So you have, for my case, I have to take the scale inside because I want to take 0. I cannot take 180. We want to start at 0. This is my line. Okay, this is my line. So I start at 0, 0, and then the second line is here. This is your second line. Okay, this is your second line. If you look at the diagram below, this is your second line. So actually your second line is equal to what? Is it 80 or 100? This is your second line. Is it 80 or 100? 80 or 100? Okay, so you just look at just now. You look at the first one is 0. So 0 is inside, the scale inside, right? So when you move to this one, you have to follow the scale inside also. So the answer is 100, not 80. 80 if you start your line from here. From here. If you start your line from here, then that one is 80. But for this case, our first line is here. So when it open here, it will become 80. Okay, how about B? How to put B? Okay, B, this is B, you have to arrange, this one you have to change your protractor. like this. Make sure the angle, make sure the vertex here you put at the center of your protractor. Then you arrange, this one is not online, right? So you arrange so that it will become online. Like that. Okay, so if this is your 0. Actually, this is your 0. Okay. This line, this one is not really. Okay, so this is your line. The first line is here. And then make sure the middle of the protractor at your vertex. So this is your line is here. So 0, we start from 0. So still the scale inside. So what is the next line? Next line is here. This is your next line. I think this one is maybe not very okay like that. And then this one. Okay, so this is your angle. So what is angle? Is it 80 or 100? So for this case also 80 because we take it from inside 0 and 0, 80. How about the C? How about C? So you put your middle at the vertex here. Like that. And then, but this one, if you look at the line inside, one of the line not on the line of protractor. So you have to arrange this one. Either you can put like this, can put also like this, or you can also put like this. Either one. The answer will be same. Okay, let's say you want to put like this. Okay, you want to put like this. So your 0 is this line. This line is your 0. This is the second line. So this one is your 0 mean that you have to take outside. Because the 0 is outside scale. Okay, so you take the outside scale. And then you move, you find the second line. So your second line is here. Okay, your second line is here. So this is about 133 or 134, something like that. Okay, 134. Actually, for the angle, if you give your answer plus minus the plus 1 or minus 1 from the original answer, is it accepted? For example, for this case, the actual angle equal to 133. Let's say 133. If you give 132 or if you give 134, also accepted. 1 plus 1 or minus 1. If more than that, cannot accept. Okay, so this one is 134. How about 4? Okay, I want you to calculate, to use your protractor and find the angle of the 4A. Before we discuss, try to do this. What is your answer you get? A, 4A. Make sure you put the middle of your protractor at the vertex and then you arrange one of the line on the 0 on your protractor. So what the answer you will get? Okay, your friend get 1 through 8. Others?
52.
1 through 8. 1 to 8 also. Others? Okay, let's say I put like this. I think maybe the scale here is not it's not really the follow the textbook, Is it correct or wrong? Okay, never mind. We try, we try. Okay, let's say I put here. Then arrange this one. Okay, so your second line is here. Second line is here. Not really accurate. Wait, oops. You. So it will become like that, right? So which one we should use? Is it outside or inside? So you look at the first line, your first line on this side, on the left. So we use 0 on the left. So make it outside. So when you open, is it about what, 51 or 52, right? If your line, you cannot read your line, for example, you don't have this one, right? For example, you don't have, then your line is like this, right? You're not sure, is it 50 or what? So you can draw you can wait, you can make this one. You can continue join this one first. Using ruler, sorry, this one is very, very difficult. You using ruler, you continue draw this line, and then you put the protractor. Then you can find where is you go. So for this case, the answer is 51 or 52, something like that. Okay, how about B? So B, your friend got 115. Your friend got 115. So we try to do this. I make it bigger. Okay, so I put it here first, and then I change this one to this side. And then I can find the second one. This is your 0 inside. So your second one is here. It should be 115. Correct. Yes, 115. Okay, so how about C? How about C? 145. You get 145. All of you get 145. Okay, so your first line is here, 0. So your second line should be here. This is about 145, right? Yes, correct, 145. So that I hope that every one of you know how to use protractor. Okay, this is how you use protractor lah. So you remember you put your vertex at the middle, and then one of the lines should be one either on the left or on the right of the line 0. Then you take the scale of inside or outside, depend on your first line. Okay, so that is how you use the protractor. Now we continue our lesson to the PowerPoint just now. We just stop presenting. I'll give you another one. Okay, so we continue this. Okay, we continue this. Properties of angle. Properties of angle. Okay, so type of angles. Let's say this is your protractor just now. So you have 0 here, 0 here, and then if you move your line from 0 to 90, I think I should give you I show you the entire screen now. Sorry, because you cannot see the protractor. That's this one. Okay, sorry. This one, Okay, so this is your protractor. So this one, you put this one, let's say this one like this. So if your angle is between 0 and 90, this is 90. Okay, if your angle is between here, between this, so this one we call as acute angle. This one we call as acute angle. Okay, acute angle between 0 and 90. 0 not included, 90 also not included. So mean that in between 1 until 89. So if your angle is like this, or like this, like this, like this, like this one are called acute angle. Okay, this one called acute angle. Okay, if your angle is start from 0 to this side, okay, it open bigger like this. Ayo. You know, open bigger like this. Cannot move anymore. Wait, This one. Okay, I just show you this one. Cannot. I think that my internet not very good. I just show you the PowerPoint without the protractor. So if your angle in between 90 to 180, in between this, so this one is called obtuse angle. Okay, this one is called obtuse angle, 90 until 180. 90 not included, 180 also not included. This one is called obtuse angle. The name of the angle is obtuse angle. And then if your angle is between this 180 until 360, included this until 360, this one is called reflex angle. Okay, so if you open your protractor more than 180, so that one is reflect angle. 90 degree also known as right angle. Okay, 90 degree also known as right angle. This one is 0. So in between this acute angle, if 90 right angle, if between this is obtuse angle, if 180 is straight line, so this one is reflect angle. If 360 is called a Holton. Okay, so this is type of angle. Okay, next. How do you recognize the properties of angle on straight line? Okay, let's say you have a straight line A and B. Okay, and then you must remember straight line, the angle on the straight line is always 180. Okay, always 180. Doesn't matter how your length, how your line, such as you have another line like this, the straight line, this is a straight line, so the total angle on the straight line equal to 180. So we can say that the sum of angle on a straight line is 180. Okay, for example, if you are given a line like this, you have X here and you have Y here. So you must know that the total angle, this is a straight line. So the total angle here is 180. So mean that X plus Y, this angle and this angle, when you plus together, you will get 180. Okay, if you have another like this, you have X, Y, and Z here. So you look at this is the straight line. So the total angle here should be 180. Mean that X plus Y plus Z equal to 180. This is on straight line. Okay, next. Properties of complementary angle. So this name you have to remember, complementary angle. Okay, complementary angle is like this. Complementary angle actually is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. So you have, let's say you have X here and Y here. So the two angles are complementary angle if the sum of the two angle is 90. If you plus X plus Y equal to 90, so these are complementary angles. Okay, complementary angle. Complementary angle are two angle only. So you have two angle like this. When you sum, when you plus these two angle equal to 90, so these are complementary angles. Okay, therefore X is the complementary angle of Y and vice versa. Okay, so this one is complementary of y also complementary of x, where x plus y equal to 90 degree. Okay, so this complementary angle, the name of this one. Okay, for example, state the complementary angle of each angle below. So you must remember what is complementary. Complementary is 90. So if you want to find the complementary angle of 50, so mean that you have to 90 minus 50. So you will get the next one should be 40. If 76 mean that 90 minus 76, so the complementary angle of 76 equal to 14. Okay, that is complementary angle. Next, supplementary angle. Okay, supplementary angle. If complementary angle is 90 degree, supplementary angle is 180. Okay, such as you have like this. So the two angles, you have two angles are supplementary angles if the sum of the two angle is 180. If you plus these two angle equal to 180, then this one is supplementary angle. Okay, therefore x is the supplementary. So x is the supplementary of y also supplementary of x. Okay, because when you plus these two equal to 180. So example, state the supplementary angle for each angle below 50. So remember, supplement is 180, complement is 90. So 180 you minus 50, then you will get the supplementary is 130. 140, we want to find the supplementary angle of 140. So 180 minus 140, so you will get 40 degree. So this is supplementary angle. And then one more is conjugate angle. Okay, conjugate angle. Okay, example one, conjugate is the whole turn. You have x outside here and you have y inside. So the two angles are conjugate angles if the sum of the two angles is 360. If the sum of these two angles equal to 360, then that is called conjugate angle. Okay, therefore x is the conjugate angle of y and y also the conjugate angle of x. So x plus y equal to 360. For example, example 3. So state the conjugate angle for each angle below. So if 100, so conjugate, you look at here, conjugate. So 360 minus 100. So you will get 360 minus 100. So your answer is 260. Okay, if this one is B, 300, so 300 is 360 minus 300. So the conjugate angle of 300 equal to 60 degree. Okay, so you have three type of angle you have to know. Complementary angle 90 degrees, supplementary angle 180, and conjugate angle 360. Okay, we look at the how to find the value. Okay, right angle is 90 degree. Remember, right angle 90 degree. So this is right angle. You have this symbol, this rectangle here. This one mean that this is 90 degree. Right angle, right angle. So how to find y? So we want to find the value of y. So if you look at the diagram, we know that this is the total of this one equal to 90. Okay, so mean that 55 plus y, 55 plus y equal to 90. How do you know 90? Because you have this one, this is 90. The total here is 90. Okay, next. You find, you move this one to the back, will become minus. So y equal to 90 minus 55. So y equal to 35. Mean here is 35. Okay, example 4. You have like this. So this one also 90 degree. This one you have this one. So you know this is 90 degree. So we want to find the value of x. So how to find the value of x? So x plus 70 is 90. We know 90, so you move to the back. So x equal to 90 minus 70, so x equal to 20. Okay, this is for right angle. How about angle on straight line? Okay, angle on straight line like this. So let's say you have 135 here, you have y here. And then how to find the value of y? Okay, I give you answer for this one. So we know that on straight line, the total angle equal to 180. Okay, 180. So if you want to find y, 135 plus y equal to 180. So you move to the back, mean that y equal to 180 minus 135, so equal to 45. Okay, how about this? Try to find answer. Okay. Given like this, can you give me what the answer you get? You have x, you have 115, you have 25. So we want to find the value of x. What is the angle of x? Your friend got 40. 40. Okay. Let me check. So x plus 115 plus 25 equal to 180. So you move everything to the back. Minus, so you get y equal to 40, correct? So that's on straight line. So remember, doesn't matter how many angle given on straight line, the total angle from here to here, it should be 180 degree. Okay, if whole turn, okay, like this. So whole turn like this, given outside is 290, then inside is y. So we want to find the value of y. So we know that the whole turn, the total angle of whole turn equal to 360. So 290 plus y equal to 360. So you move to the back. So y equal to 360 minus 290. So y equal to 70. How about this? Do this. Can you find the value of y? You have 165, 135, y and y. Your friend Celeste Lam that got 70. Others? 60. Okay, we want to find the value of y. We want to find the value of y. Yes. 30 or 60? Okay, look at here. So we know that y plus 135 plus 165 from here to here, all here equal to 360. But remember, we have y plus y. So y plus y equal to 2y. 1y plus 1y equal to 2y. So 360, you minus 135, you minus 165, you will get 60, right? But this one is for 2y. Your answer is looking for y only. So you have to divide by 2. Okay, you divide by 2, then you will get y equal to 30 degree. Okay, so this is how you find the angle. So given if you are given right angle 90 degree, if you are given straight line, remember 180, and if you given whole turn like this, that is 360. Okay, so that is angle. Okay, so that's all for today. So your offline class, do your workbook page 98 until 100. Okay, this is your homework, and then we will discuss together next week. Okay, so thank you and see you again, class. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.